How to change payment method in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add or change a payment method into your Squarespace store or website. It is going to be the same thing because if you're going to add the payment method, it is going to be also the way that you're going to follow to change that payment method and etc. So, as you can see here, we have got to the squarespace.com website. We have signed in into our account, and from here we're going to click on the favicon, click on account dashboard. Once you have clicked on here, you're going to see the websites that you have created. So in here we need to be specific about the website because not all the websites are going to have the same payment method. So we are going to select the website that we want to change or add that payment method to. For example, this. Click on go to website, and then you're going to see this page. So basically this is the home page of the website. Now, what we're going to do basically is to make sure that we have at least added some content or some products or some paywalls in here, because it is going to be the first step to activate or trigger the payment method. And to be honest, it is going to be crucial to have a subscribe plan into your Squarespace platform so you can go ahead and accept the payments, because without the payment or without the subscription, it is going to be going in vain, this effort. So in here, as you can see, we have the products. We have added some products already. You can go ahead and add whatever products you want. You can turn on the whole website of your Squarespace in here into a complete store or a online store for digital products or whatever services that you have. So once you have did that, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you are going to see the settings. Click on the gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and then we're going to see everything in here. We are not going to head over here for the billing. Maybe some of you will set up the billing or see that it is going to be the payment method, but no, it is going to be on the selling. So you're going to head over the settings, and then you're going to see business information, and under just that, payments, add ways to receive payments. Click on here, and then you're going to connect wherever you want. For example, if you have connected maybe a Square platform in here or a PayPal, you can go ahead and disconnect that, and then you can go ahead and add another one. So this is how you can change it. And from the scratch, if you do not have already a payment method, you can go ahead and connect it or add it by just clicking on connect or in one of the or multiple payment methods in here, and then you're going to see it right there. And depending on the region that you have opened the account of your Squarespace website from, you're going to see multiple payment processor. And also, it is going to be a variant for all or dependent on the country. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.